to my channel, The Learning Hub. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, today I am going to discuss about good touch and bad touch, which is very important, vital and sensitive topic. So today's video is for you all, kids, parents and teachers. So you must watch this video till the end. Don't skip the video. If you skip the video, then you may miss out many important points. So keep watching and stay tuned. So let's begin. First, what is good touch and what is bad touch? The word good touch. Good means we all know very well. Acha. Good means acha. And touch means sparsh karna means chuna. So what is good touch? A touch that makes us feel happy, comfortable, secure, cared for, safe. This is called good touch. A touch जिस टच से हमें अच्छा फील होता है, अच्छा महसूस होता है, कंफर्टेबल फील करता है, हमें लगता है कि हम सेफ है, उस टच को कहते हैं गुड टच. The next is bad touch. What is bad touch? Bad means गंदा, खराब, and touch means स्पर्श करना, छूना. So a touch that makes us feel unhappy, uncomfortable, unsafe or scared, that is called bad touch. जिस टच से हमें अच्छा फील नहीं होता है, हमें अनकंफर्टेबल फील होता है, गंदा महसूस होता है, हमें अनईजी फील होता है, उस टच को हम कहते हैं बैड टच. Bad touch hurts your body and your feelings. Now children, you are thinking, how will you identify which are good touches and which are bad touches, right? So now I am giving you some examples. You have to look at the picture very carefully and observe the picture very carefully and try to understand what I mean. Look here. Mother's hugging is a good touch and the parents hugging also good touch. When your mama hugs you, that time how do you feel? Do you feel unhappy or happy? Yes, happy. When mama hugs you, that time you feel happy, comfortable, safe, right? So this is a good touch. When a touch makes you feel happy, comfortable. So that is called good touch. So this is a good touch. Next is giving high five. We usually give high five to our friends. So when we give high five to our friends, that time do we feel unhappy or happy? Yes, we feel happy. So a touch that makes us feel happy and comfortable and safe, that is called good touch. So this is a good touch. Now the next picture is shaking hand or handshaking. When we meet with a new friend, that time we greet each other by shaking hand. Hello. So is this a good touch or bad touch? Good touch, because when we meet with a new friend, that time we feel happy. And this touch makes us feel happy, comfortable. So this is a good touch. Now the next example is holding hands. When you go outside with our parents or grandparents, that time we hold our parents' hand or grandparents' hands, right? Why? Because it makes us feel safe, secure, comfortable. So this is also a good touch. Holding hands is also a good touch. But such kind of holding hand is not a good touch. That means someone is trying to pull you forcefully. Okay? Holding hand, this kind of holding hand is a good touch. So children, these are the different situations like mothers hugging, parents hugging, high five, handshaking and holding the parents' hand and grandparents' hands. These are the different situations, okay? And these are called the good touches. Now I am going to give some examples of bad touches. So everyone look at the picture. What are they doing? They are fighting with each other. When someone hits you or fights with you, that time do you feel happy or unhappy? Yes, you feel unhappy, uncomfortable. So a touch that makes you feel unhappy, uncomfortable, unsafe, that is called bad touch. So this is a bad touch. Next is, see, look at the picture. Pulling ear. Is this a bad touch or good touch? Yes, it's a bad touch. When someone pulls your ear, that time do you feel happy or unhappy? Yes, unhappy, uncomfortable. So this is a bad touch. See, look at the picture. The boy is making such kind of face like this. Ouch! So that means he is not feeling comfortable. So this is a bad touch. Now the next picture is pulling chubby cheeks. When someone pulls your cheeks, that time do you feel happy or safe? No, you feel unhappy, unsafe, uncomfortable. So this is also a bad touch. Now next is very important point. Everyone look at the picture and observe the picture very carefully and try to understand what I mean. Touching the private body part is also a bad touch. Yes, I repeat, touching private body part is a bad touch. See, look at the picture. It's a bad touch. No one should ever touch your private body part. Okay, so this is also a bad touch. So children, these are different type of situations like pulling, hitting, pushing and touching your private body parts. These are all bad touches. Got it? Now I think you can identify which are good touches and which are bad touches. Now the point is our private body parts. Yes, right? Do you know what are our private body parts? We have different type of parts in our body from top to bottom, means head to toe. But there are some parts that are private body parts. What are our private body parts? Private body parts are the parts of our body that covered by swimming suit or underwear. First is lips. Everyone do like this? Lips. Then second private body part is chest. Then third private body part is a part between your legs. And fourth private body part is backside, means buttock. So these are the private body parts. Okay, lips, chest, a part between your legs and backside means buttocks. Look at the picture very carefully. These are the private body parts. These are your private body parts. Already marked over here. Lips, chest, a part between your legs and buttock. These are your private body parts. And a very important thing you have to keep in your mind. Nobody should ever touch your private body parts. Got it? Now children, you came to know very well about your private body parts, right? And no one should ever touch your private body part, right? Except your mother, because mother helps you to take bath and mother cleans you. And one more person is there who can touch you, but only in the presence of your parents, that is doctor, because doctor treats you. So children, if you ever face such kind of any bad situation, so what you have to do? First, you have to save yourself from that bad situation. And how is it possible? For that time, you need to follow body safety rule. Just like a road safety rule. Children, when you go outside, that time we have to follow traffic rules, road safety rules, right? Otherwise, an accident could happen. In the same way, we have to follow body safety rule if you face any bad situation that help you to keep your body safe from harm. There are three main keywords: know, go and tell. Everyone repeat after me. Know, go and tell. These are body safety rules. We have to follow these body safety rules. If we face any bad situation, that time we need to follow this safety rule, body safety rule. First is no. If someone gives you a bad touch, that time first you have to say clearly, loudly and firmly, no, stop that, don't do this, and immediately you have to leave that place. Next is go. You have to leave that place and go to your parents or grandparents. These are the people you trust. Now the third keyword is tell. If someone gives you a bad touch and you feel unhappy, uncomfortable, unsafe and scared, so you have to speak each and everything to your parents or grandparents, because they are the people you trust and they will help you. So you should never keep it secret. Got it? So if you face such kind of any bad situation, so you have to follow first body safety rule, and there are three main keywords: no, go and tell. Now some important tips for parents, especially mothers. You should keep in mind that you are the best teacher of your child, right? So this is a very important and sensitive topic, so you should explain and discuss each and everything about good touch and bad touch with your kids. Don't be shy. Explain each and everything with your kids and use appropriate language. Use swimming suit rule. Let them know about body safety rule, means three key words: no, go and tell. And use different type of books and read together about good touch and bad touch. Now children, we are going to do a beautiful worksheet on good touch and bad touch. Children, look at this worksheet. Let's see what is written on this worksheet. Good touch. Click on all the good touches. So children, what we have to do right now? First, we have to observe the picture very carefully, then identify which are the good touches and which are bad touches. Then we have to click on only good touches. So let's begin. Look at the first picture. What are they doing? They are fighting. When someone kicks you, that time do you feel good or bad? Naturally you feel bad. So it's a bad touch. We should not click on this picture. Now look at the next picture. A mama is hugging the baby. When mama hugs you, that time you feel happy or sad? Yes, you feel happy. So let's click on this good touch. This is a good touch. Next, look at this picture. What are they doing? They are giving high five. So it's a good touch. When we feel happy, that time we give high five to our friends, parents, teachers, etc. So it's a good touch. So let's click on this good touch. Now look at this picture. What are they doing? They are fighting with each other. Is this a good touch or bad touch? Obviously it's a bad touch. When someone fights with you, that time do you feel good, safe? No, you feel bad, unsafe. So this is a bad touch. We should not click on this bad touch. Next, look at this picture. Is it a good touch or bad touch? Observe this picture very carefully. A man is disturbing the boy, or he is putting his hand inside this boy's shirt. This is not good touch. Look at this picture. What are they doing? They are shaking hand. When we meet with a new friend, that time what do? We greet each other by shaking hand. So it's a good touch. So children, mother hugging, giving high five, handshaking, these are all good touches. And kicking, fighting, touching the private body parts, these are all bad touches. So children, I think now you can recognize good touches and bad touches very nicely. So I think today's video is very useful for you all. So take care. Bye bye.